Hello, welcome to today's Silver Log. It is the 17th of November 2010, and this will be a look at Palladium as well as its comparison within the silver charts as the Palladium to silver ratio. Sort of like we have heard the gold to silver ratio. I've personally have been thinking recently maybe I might want to dip into a little bit of the palladium. It seems as if it's a very good industrial metal, especially with the new digital technology that is going on. And this is the chart of palladium going back to 1968. It is a logarithmic chart, meaning the moves on the chart is based on the percentage gain. So the move from here to here is equivalent to this one, and so on by percentage gain. And the palladium chart is actually looking pretty good right now. It has been in a upward trend for the most part of this bull run over the last so many decades. And over the recent time frame after the NASDAQ crash, the palladium went up and down when the NASDAQ did. It has been able to stabilize within this bottom. It has gotten above this resistance point, and now the only people on a dollar cost level that is down on palladium is this small group up towards the top back in 2000 and 2001. So it's making a very nice bullish pattern right now, but so is silver. And this is the palladium to silver ratio, which got extremely high back in the year 2000, 2001. This was when we seen palladium go to 1200. That was its high, and that was also the really big lows on silver, which is why the ratio came somewhat close to the 250 handle. Right now, it's at 25. And after seeing this chart personally, I decided maybe I don't want to trade silver for palladium, because what has happened on the move lower, it established this 25 support level in 2005, 2006. It had this failed breakout, and oftentimes from failed moves can come fast moves. And now it's back up to this 25 area. If it can find a way to get above this high, maybe make a pattern of higher highs and higher lows above it, then I may consider this to be going higher. But right now, the trend on the palladium to silver ratio is that of lower. And very often, previous support can act as resistance. We'll see how this 25 area acts, if this will be that of a top, and if it will manage to start selling off even lower. Now, the one little concerning part of playing palladium over silver is that the manipulation on the silver market has been priced out of the silver market. And I mean priced out as in it's not priced in. Therefore, the big moves that can come in silver, a lot of them could be based on manipulation, and thus that could bring these ratios down much lower. Now, I don't know for sure on that. I'm just looking at what makes the most sense to me. But right now, when I look at this chart and I'm seeing this downtrend that's been going on, I see no reason why it could not go down even below, down towards this 10 area. Now, as far as the current trend on the palladium market, or the year-to-date charts, we will point out, it's looking very, very bullishly. So if you're looking to hedge your bets or you want diversification, then maybe it would be a good idea to get into palladium. But if you're trading silver for it, you might win, you might lose. But right now, I like the prospects, of course, of silver outperforming palladium, even though palladium has made some magnificent moves in the last little while. So this is the upward range that palladium was trading in, and now it's came down to this level. We'll see if this does give us a level of support. As far as the current palladium ratio for the year is concerned, The support level at 24 has been tested on 4 different occasions since May. If you include this one here, 5 times for the year. The more often support is tested, the more likely it is that it would be taken out. I guess if you want to go long on this chart, you need to see a higher low upwards towards it down to the 25 area, which I guess that's where it should be at now, is getting closer to 25. On an intraday level, it's actually been below it, but the data that I have as of earlier this morning has it at a shade below 26. So you need to make this higher low and then start to develop some sort of upward trend. What makes this very bearish to me on this chart is the resistance level has been in a range after this big move lower. So oftentimes markets can correct through time, and this seems to be that sort of deal. And when you have a correction through time, generally what I like to do is take some analysis on what the trend is, because that's usually the direction in which the range would break. And right now, the trend for the gold to silver ratio is that of lower. So that's why my personal bias is for this to be getting lower. I'm still going to be looking into getting palladium, but right now I'm going to take a little chance and at least wait for it to go down towards the 10 handle, and then maybe try to make an offer for 10 Canadian maples or 10 bullion silver for 1 maple palladium later on down the line. If it never goes there, then the trade never goes through. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section before. Also, there is a 3-ounce silver contest on the channel. This contest has just begun. You have about a little over a week to get a comment on the video for your chance to win the 3 ounces of maple bullion silver. Have yourself a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.